Having trouble with your Polk soundbar not working correctly with your TV? You're not alone. Many users face issues with HDMI ARC CEC, where the soundbar doesn't output audio, the TV speakers won't turn off, or the soundbar doesn't respond to the TV remote. These problems often stem from compatibility glitches, incorrect settings, or cable issues. Let's dive into fixing them. Remember, ARC allows sound to be sent from your TV to your soundbar through a single HDMI cable, and CEC enables control of both devices with one remote. Before diving into advanced solutions, start with the basics. First, power cycle both your TV and Polk soundbar. Unplug them from the power outlet for about 60 seconds, then plug them back in. Ensure you power on the soundbar first. This often resolves temporary glitches. Next, check your HDMI cable. Make sure it's securely connected to both the ARC port on your TV and the HDMI ARC port on your soundbar. Try using a certified HDMI 2.1 cable, as faulty cables are a common culprit. The next step is verifying the correct settings on your TV. Navigate to your TV's audio settings menu. Look for options like HDMI ARC or C, or brand-specific names like BraviaSync for Sony, AnyNet Plus for Samsung, or SimpLink for LG. Ensure these settings are enabled. Also, check if there's an option to set the audio output to HDMI ARC or external speakers. Incorrect TV settings are a major cause of soundbar connectivity problems. Now let's check your Polk soundbar settings. Use the soundbar's remote or the Polk audio app to access the menu. Look for a CEC or HDMI control setting and make sure it's turned on. Some Polk soundbars also have specific audio format settings like PCM, Dolby Digital, and Atmos. Ensure the selected format is compatible with your TV and the content you're playing. Mismatched audio formats can prevent sound from routing correctly. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues between your Polk soundbar and TV. For the soundbar, use the Polk Audio app or visit their website for update instructions. TV firmware updates are usually found in the TV's settings menu under Software Update or About. Installing the latest firmware often resolves known bugs and improves compatibility. If basic troubleshooting steps like power cycling and cable checks didn't resolve the HDMI ARC or CEC issues with your Polk soundbar and TV, consider using an HDMI switcher. This device acts as an intermediary that can stabilize the connection by managing signal handshaking and preventing compatibility conflicts between devices. As a last resort for persistent HDMI ARC or CEC problems, perform a factory reset on both your TV and Polk soundbar. This will restore default settings, erasing any custom audio or connectivity configurations that might be causing conflicts. Check your TV and soundbar manuals for specific reset instructions, as the process varies by model. Let's look at some specific scenarios. If your TV speakers won't turn off, ensure the TV's audio output is set to HDMI ARC or external speakers, and that TV speakers are disabled. For audio dropouts, check the HDMI cable and try a different port. If you're using a gaming console, ensure CEC is enabled on both the console and the soundbar, but be aware that sometimes disabling CEC on the console and manually setting ARC on the soundbar can fix audio lag issues. If you've exhausted all basic and advanced troubleshooting steps for your Polk soundbar and TV connectivity issues, and the problems persist, it may indicate a hardware failure. This could involve defective ports, damaged cables, or internal component issues with either the soundbar or TV that require professional diagnosis and repair. Contact Polk Audio's customer support team through their website or app for guidance, or consult a qualified technician who specializes in audio equipment. They can perform diagnostics that aren't possible at home and provide warranty-related repairs if applicable. Common hardware problems include faulty HDMI ports, damaged circuit boards, or power supply issues, as shown in this circuit board image. These require expert tools and knowledge to fix safely. Remember, persistent connectivity problems after firmware updates and settings checks often point to physical hardware faults. Don't delay seeking professional help, as early intervention can prevent further damage.